Morning to all. Welcome back to another section. And in this section, we will discuss about Raymond Williams and his famous definition of culture. So, who was Raymond Williams? Raymond Henry Williams was a Welsh socialist writer, academic, novelist, and critic, influential within the New Left in wider culture. So Raymond Henry Williams was a Welsh socialist writer. He was a socialist writer, academic, novelist and critic, influential within the New Left and in wider culture. So in our previous video, we have discussed about the New Left and their ideologies. Raymond Williams was also a proponent of New Left movement. His writing on politics, culture, the media and literature contributed to the Marxist critique of culture and the arts. So he was also influenced by Marxist criticism, and his writings contributed to Marxist ideologies, or he supported Marxist ideologies through his writing. Some of 750,000 copies of his books were sold in UK editions alone, and there are many translations available. So he was a famous writer on that time. His work laid foundation for the field of cultural studies and cultural materialism. So he laid the foundation for cultural studies and cultural materialism. So Raymond Williams was a Welsh socialist writer, academic, novelist and critic, influential within the New Left and in wider culture. So he was a famous New Left theorist. He was a writer, academic, novelist and critic, influential. Also he influenced the New Left theories. He wrote about many things: politics, culture and media, literature, and he made some major contribution to Marxist ideologies. And also he was a famous author, and his books were sold many copies in UK editions alone, and his books were also translated into many languages, and his work laid foundation for the field of cultural studies and cultural materialism. So he was one of the founding father of cultural studies and cultural materialism. This is short biography of Raymond Williams, and now we are going to discuss about his definition of culture. What is culture according to Raymond Williams?